Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete history on Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like contacts, chats, and settings. Stay on chats, then on the top of the screen, you'll see search bar. Tap on it. There you'll find your recent history. Just go ahead and tap on clear from the top right corner beside recent. Once you do that, a small menu will appear from the bottom of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on clear, then you'll see you'll successfully delete history on Telegram. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.